Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I beg to move that the bill to provide for the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution for the establishment with a view to carrying out the aforesaid purposes of boards for conferring on and assigning to such boards powers and functions relating thereto and for matters connected therewith as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration. Stop. Sir, it is a matter of great pleasure to me to pilot the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Bill 1988, which was unanimously passed by the Lok Sabha. Stop. I am sure all the members will agree with me that the problem of air pollution in the country, though not so serious as that of water pollution, should not be neglected as some of the cities like Delhi, Calcutta, Bombay, Kanpur, etc. are already feeling its effects. Stop. It has therefore become necessary to bring in legislation to control air pollution, as prevention is always better and cheaper than cure, and this is especially so in environmental pollution control matters. Stop para. Before bringing in this legislation, an exercise was made in my ministry to see whether the existing legislation could be suitably modified to deal with this problem. Stop. Though there are certain provisions in the Factories Act, Criminal Procedure Code, and Smoke Nuisance Act, they have been found to be inadequate. Stop. Hence, the need for a comprehensive legislation to deal with all aspects of air pollution was felt. Stop. An expert committee appointed for the purpose recommended a central act and suggested a draft bill also. Stop. This draft was duly examined and eventually a bill to provide for the prevention and control of air pollution was introduced in the last Lok Sabha in April 1987. Stop. The bill was referred to a joint committee of the two houses. Stop. The committee considered the bill in detail and presented its report to the Lok Sabha on the 18th May 1988. Stop. The bill, however, could not be taken into account for unforeseen circumstances. Stop. All the recommendations of the Joint Committee of the Houses have been incorporated in the present bill. Stop. In the UN Conference on Human Environment in 1987, in which India also participated, decisions were made to take appropriate steps for the preservation of natural resources of the earth, which included control of air pollution. Stop.